everyone, welcome to Glam Forever. If you are new here, I'm Aisha Gupta. While you may be still learning about skincare, but you already probably realized the importance of finding the best moisturizer. Fortunately, not only if there are countless numbers of lotions, creams, and gels for the job, but you also have to factor your skin type and your concerns. But don't worry, I have rounded off some of the best moisturizer for your skin type. So keep watching and please make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss out any helpful and skincare videos. Thank you. Ideal for oily complexion. This moisturizer absorbs almost instantly and feel your skin like softer, nourished and not at all greasy. The gel-based consistency spreads evenly, more feel like a liquid when applied. This is for oily skin and it looks super cute and feels super soft. Again, we have Plum Green Tea Mattified Moisturizer, silicone-free, non-comedogenic and with the goodness of antioxidants. This moisturizer from Plum is a recent launch and people are loving it. It is also happens cruelty and as well as vegan. So it's great for oily skin. It has a green tea mattifying effect. So this is best for oily skin. Third, we have Clinique Moisturizer Surge 72-hour Auto Rappelling Hydrator. This moisturizer deeply penetrates the skin surface and gives you an instant hydrating moisture boost. It is the oil-free moisturizer, makes your skin soft, plump and supple. And it is 100% allergic free and it is 100% fragrance and acne-genic components free. So this is for oily skin and it prevents from acne. So this is the best for oily skin and it's also celebrities' favorite. Now we will look for dry skin. For this we have Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion. This daily moisturizer from Cetaphil is non-comedogenic and fragrance free. It is formulated for sensitive skin, dry skin to super dry skin. It is the best moisturizer you can have for dry skin. It works for face moisturizer as well as body moisturizer. So what are you waiting is the damn best face wash for dry skin. Second, we have Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. It is perhaps Lakme's India's best selling hydrating solution for super dry skin. So if you are concerned about skin issues like flakiness, itchiness, patchy skin, so don't worry, this is the one of the best face wash for your skin. And it is dermatologically tested and it's further purpose for two. It's hydrate the skin as well as it is providing protection against sun with SPF 25. It's still in my page. Instant thrust relief. Like its name, it's an instant thrust relief. It gives you proper hydration. It has a lace gel based consistency and as natural acids that soothe the skin in the summers and moisturize the skin in the winter. So it's for dry skin in summer also and in winters also. This gives you protection against cuts, burns and flakiness, itchiness from of the skin. So I know its price a little bit higher, but it is the price is dull in bit of comparison of its numerous benefits. It has a lot of benefits for your dry skin. Go for it. Now we have combination skin. We have Nivea Light Moisturizing Cream. Everyone knows the goodness of Nivea. It have been around for ages for the good reason of obviously. So it is super affordable, and if you have a more dry side, it's good, give you a great job to moisturize and hydrating your skin throughout the day. So second, we have Neutrogena Oil Free Moisturizer. This is ideal for combination skin. This one from Neutrogena moisturize the dry side and controls the shine of shiny side or oil side. It is the both dermatologically tested and non-comedogenic. The fact that it is alcohol free and as well as fragrance free. So it's the one for those who don't like heavy products, just a little bit. That's it. Then this is for my combination skin people. Now next we have for the most attentive, allergic, sensitive skin. First we have Simple's Kind to Skin Moisturizer. This is hypoallergic, non-comedogenic, maintains pH balance, fragrance free, and all around for sensitive skin. This is the one for those who want super affordable pick and also a great benefits. Then this is for you guys. This is the best for sensitive skin. It's damn good. Now for sensitive skin, second is Aveeno Gentle Moisturizer Skin for sensitive skin. It is the best moisturizer you can have for sensitive skin. It will nourish your skin overnight and for also long hours. It will leave your skin beautiful, healthy, nourished, glow, and no heavy, no greasy feeling, nothing at all. Just so soft and supple your skin. So this is the best for sensitive skin. So what are you waiting for? Bye. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. If yes, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and all these products I will put link in the description below so you can easily find out what product is best. So yeah, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Until then,